Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to get new emojis on Android keyboard. Getting new emojis on your mobile device helps you stay up to date with emoji trends. And here are the steps to get new emojis on your Android keyboard. First, update your Android system via Settings app, software update, and install the latest version. Update Google Keyboard. Open the Play Store, then search for Gboard and update if there's any. Now, open the Settings app on your phone, then tap Languages and Input or System, go to Keyboard, then choose On-Screen Keyboard. Tap the Gboard app or your current keyboard, tap Preferences. Turn on Emoji Switch key. Now, open any app where you can type, such as Messages, WhatsApp, or Notes. Tap the emoji icon on the keyboard, browse emojis by category, or swipe, and use the search bar to find new emojis. If emoji is still missing, change the system font or update the Google Play services, then restart your phone. Important note, new emojis depend on your Android version, not just the keyboard. Older Android versions may not support the latest emojis. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.